Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who loves effortless, salon-quality nails without the hassle of glue or the need to sit at a salon, today's product might be just the thing you've been waiting for. We're diving into the imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the shade Serenity. This product promises the perfect nude almond-shaped nails with a seamless finish, all with zero glue and no dry time. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The imPRESS press-on nails come with 30 nails in various sizes, a mini file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and an instruction sheet. The concept is simple: peel, press, and go. It's designed to give you a flawless manicure without any of the usual mess. The Serenity color is a soft, medium pink that feels understated yet chic, perfect for anyone who loves a bare but better aesthetic. The key selling point of these press-on nails is the new and improved adhesive. It's designed to provide long-lasting wear, up to 10 days, without the use of any glue. The adhesive bond is strong enough to ensure your nails stay in place throughout your daily activities. What I really appreciate about this set is the ease of application. I didn't need to have any prior experience in applying press-ons to get a perfect finish. When I first applied these nails, I was impressed by how quickly the process took. Within minutes, I had a full manicure. The adhesive felt strong, but it wasn't too sticky, so there was still some flexibility to reposition the nails before they fully set. Once in place, the nails felt comfortable and natural. I didn't experience any lifting or discomfort, and the almond shape is flattering on almost every hand shape. In terms of durability, I wore these nails for about 7 days, and they held up well. I washed dishes, typed on my keyboard, and even had a few accidental bumps, but they stayed in place without any issues. At the end of the week, they were still firmly attached, but easy to remove when I was ready for a change. If you're someone who struggles with keeping press-ons on for more than a few days, this product's adhesive technology is a game changer. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the application is quick and simple, no need for glue or waiting for nails to dry. The adhesive is strong, and I love how comfortable they felt. The Serenity color is perfect for a natural, understated look that works with almost any outfit. It's also great for those who need a quick fix for a last-minute event or just want a simple, everyday manicure. On the downside, while the adhesive is strong, it doesn't make the nails completely indestructible. I did notice a slight chip at the tip of one nail after about 5 days of wear, but it was only noticeable up close. The selection of sizes might not fit everyone perfectly. If you have particularly small or large nail beds, you may find that some nails don't fit as snugly as you'd like. However, the inclusion of multiple sizes helps to mitigate this issue. As for value for money, the imPRESS No Glue Mani nails are reasonably priced, considering the quality and ease of use. When compared to getting a professional manicure, these press-ons are a fraction of the cost, and they provide a similar aesthetic. For anyone who doesn't have the time or budget for salon visits, this is a solid alternative. If you're someone who loves the press-on trend but is on a budget, there are some alternatives worth considering. Brands like imPRESS and Kiss often release similar products, so you can find great options that provide a similar quality for a similar price. However, the added benefit of no glue and no dry time really sets these apart from other press-on nails. When it comes to the build quality, I was pleased with the materials used. The nails felt sturdy and premium without being bulky, and the packaging was well thought out, making it easy to store the extras. For the price, you get a solid product that feels well made. Customer support from Kiss is generally known to be helpful, and I've heard positive feedback from other customers in the beauty community regarding their responsiveness. They also frequently update their designs, so you can expect new shades and shapes to be released often. In terms of alternatives, if you're willing to spend a little more, there are luxury press-on nail brands that offer a wider variety of designs and even gel-like finishes. But for a quick and affordable solution, these Kiss press-ons definitely hit the mark. To sum it all up, the imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Serenity offer a quick, easy, and comfortable way to achieve a flawless manicure at home. They're perfect for anyone looking for a natural, polished look that won't break the bank. While they're not completely indestructible and might not fit everyone perfectly, they're a great option for those seeking convenience and a long-lasting wear time. If this review helped you decide if these press-ons are right for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video. Your support helps us continue creating honest, helpful reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've used these press-on nails, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.